99% of people fail at their fitness goals, but not you, right? Here's how to become the top 1% by doing the boring stuff.
Welcome to the sauna. It's 100 degrees in here.
My boss told me that when I'm plus 30, that's when my downfall starts in fitness. Well, I started to focus on the basic stuff, and now I'm on the road for a muscle up world record, going sub 10% body fat by just training 2 times per week and doing the boring stuff. So if you sit a lot in your day and try to find more time to work out and eat better, whoa, you need to slow down, tiger, because doing more will get you burned out. What you need is a lifestyle. I call it the 5 habits. So why then do most people fail if it's the basic stuff that will get you there? Well, like Steve Jobs said, simple can be harder than complex, but when you get it right, you can move mountains. I turned it into what I call the 80-20 blueprint. Comment below, I'll send 5 copies for free to the 5 first to comment. And make sure you join the community of like-minded people. I would love to hear what's your story in fitness, what are your personal records by doing the boring stuff. So most people fail because they focus too much their time on either lifting weights or doing too much cardio. They try different diets, but you need less of each area, but better. You need the 5 habits. Instead of training 5 times per week, you want to train 2 times per week. Why? Because then you can focus on compound movement. You do 10 sets per push-pull legs per week, per muscle group of pushing and pulling and the legs, and also the core gets integrated there as well. And you want to focus on reps close to failure at 15 repetitions per set. Why? Because it will break down the muscle tissue. So most people don't have the clear structure here, or they focus too much on the training part. But then when we get to nutrition, that for 30 days, you want to make sure that instead of counting calories, you want to have the same recipes that you use for 30 days. Now, why do you want to do this? Is because when you, for instance, want to lose weight, if you are not losing weight, if you have the same recipes, you don't have to count the calories. You can basically just remove a little bit and see if the weights start to drop off. We know that most people think that they are in a calorie deficit, eating less than they burn, but actually they are not. They are off on the counting calorie part, and that's of course a huge mistake, because then you won't get any results. On the supplement side, you want to take daily a protein shake, creatine and magnesium to recover and sleep better. And a small, very important habit is to make sure you have a bottle of water next to your desk, because that way you're staying hydrated. It's going to increase your athletic performance, focus, as well as weight loss. On the mindset, you want to embrace a growth mindset and not a fixed mindset, because something like this, to implement a lifestyle, will take time. So if you're thinking that this guy is just way off, it's not going to work for an average guy. I am an average guy. I've just done the basic stuff over and over again, and you do the same. You will start to embrace the results of having a growth mindset. On the recovery, don't use cold showers post-workout. It will blunt the protein synthesis that you need to build muscle. So instead, wake up in the morning, take a cold shower. We've seen from studies that it can decrease actually sick leave. And then post-workout in the night, use a hot shower, or like we have 5 million saunas here in Finland, where I'm from.
Welcome to the sauna. It's 100 degrees in here.
Then that's an excellent way to recover. On the productivity side, deep work is important. In the night before, of course, you prioritize what you're going to do in the morning. For instance, like 4 hours of deep work is much better than scattered around throughout the day. Know your actions, know what you want to do. So you try to schedule the meetings in the afternoon, and if you have a call, use that time to take in 10,000 steps per day. So it's much better to be on a call, and then you can just walk around, for instance, the city. So those are the 5 habits that you need to get in shape, and if you do them well, you will start to see exceptional results. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see how far I can take the boring stuff on the road to the muscle up world record, and check this video next on how far I already gotten on it.